Hi friends, I hope everything is going good in your life. Now as we know or we are aware about that schools, colleges as well as all classes and institutions are closed. But one thing is that learning never stops. Due to that we are coming with our online teaching classes for calculating your maths faster. Yes, it's a Vedic maths concept what we are going to show it to you, which will be very helpful to the child, the brother, the sister, the siblings. It is a very simple course and it's a free tutorial. The main thing, it's a free. Currently we are going to cover those courses and we are going to put every day one video. We will try our level best to put one video every day. We are today starting with the basic thing. Today we are going to start with the table. We are going to teach you in a Vedic maths way. A Vedic maths, let me give you the introduction with the Vedic maths. Vedic maths has been invented by our ancestors in the past. Vedic maths is very helpful for the calculating the maths term very fast. Like you can count table. What it contains, I'll show you what our courses is going to contain. Vedic maths is a very vast field. What we are going to contain, I will show you. Table 1 to 1000, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, digit numbers, LCM and HCM. Here you can see what we are going to cover in this period of time and this lockdown. Why not we can take benefit? It's a free video. Once again I repeat, it's a free. So I'm just rubbing it out. And also we will teach you squares, square root, cubes, square root, cube roots. This is also has been included in our content, what we are going to teach you in this period. Now today we are going to teach you a table from 2 to 5. Well, everyone knows it's quite simple to go through 2 to 5 by routine, but here you have to mug it up. Now basically we are showing you idea where you don't have to mug it up and you can do it very simple and very fast. It's a trick what you have to mention. Yes, for the student who are in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th or who are in 5th, 6th or 11th, 12th, they know they are easy with this and they know that they can do it faster because they have learned it. But for the children of around about first standard, second standard, they might find these tables are difficult. So today this video is particular for them. They can do it in a simple way and even their parents happily they can teach them if they don't know how to use the digital platform. Okay, here I'm going to teach you. Start with the second table. 2 ka table. First make a box. Make it 5 column. Make one column, one box, 5 column with 1 row, with 2 rows. put all the even number from 0 to 10. First 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. The first 5 digit. Now same thing you have to mention in the second row. Clear? Then you have to put 02, 04, 06, 08. As you know, that would be go into the 2 figure. The answer of 2 5 will come into 2 figure. Then you have to write 1 over here. In the first row you have to mention 01 number. In the second row it will go 1 and 2 at the last digit. Now you can put 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, 2 year, because again it will go into the next figure. 20 ka line will start, so you have to mention 2 10 the 20. Now just you have to make one box with 5 column and 2 rows. You just have to mention the even digit number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. Then you have to again start in the second, what we say, it's a row, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then you just have to put 0 in the first 4 digit and 1 in the fifth one. And here you have to measure 1 and 2. 2 number is only for the last sum. And then you have to 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. I can write the table. It's 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 0 4 0 2, 2 4s are 8. Now here it is going into the double digit, so we have to put 1 at the 10th place. 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, and 2 10 are 20. I hope it's quite easy to understand for your child now. Now we'll move with the third table. If you have any query regarding the 2 table, you can text me or you can comment on my YouTube video, so we'll get back to you. Now we'll start with 3 table. Now we are going to show you the magic trick for 3 table. It will be very simple for you to remember this table via this method. It is Magic Max method. First of all, it's like tic-tac-toe, what you play in school or in your college time. Okay, it could be made very simple. First of all, write for, you can see there is one box with 3 column and 3 row. From left hand side, the down box you have to write 1, then 2, then 3. Go upward. From down, go upward. Then again come down. 4, 5, 6. Write number from 1 to 9. 7, 8, 9. 0 put here because 3 times you know what will come. 3 times will be 30. First we'll show you what. In this box you have to put 0. Here 1. Here you have to put 2. The answer will be ready. This what we have to put at 10th digit place. That would be 0 3 0 0 1 1 1 2 2 2. Last. Now this is what will be like. You have to go to the 10. 3 times will be 30. So you have to put the last will be your 0. You just have to put 3 at the last digit. Now I'll write you the table and you can check, verify my answer whether it's correct or not. It's 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 6s are, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Now I am going to teach you the 4th table. It's sort of Vedic max trick. It's from different levels. We can say it's a max magic trick. We have 2 options. will teach you right now from m square because I find it's quite simple than Vedic maths. We can teach you via Vedic maths also, but first we will go through this. M square method. Here you can see we have made 2m. Okay. In the first step you have to write all the even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Then again we have to, in the second m we have to do the same thing, put all the even number over there. We'll start it from the left hand side first, from this number, put 0, here you have to put 0, 0 and 0. Then we'll come down, you have to put 1, 1. Then at the last you have to put 2. Same thing on the first 2m, 2n of m, we have to put 2, 2. Okay, then we have to put 3, 3, here it will come 4. 4 times of 40, you can see. Now, what first we have to do is use the number, like we have to make 2m, where we have to put all the even numbers, that would be your digit number, digit place they will take. We have to make 2m. Then, very simple, for the first 2 end of n, we have to write 0, 0. Then for the second 2, which is in middle number, which is the first at the end, we have to mention 1, 1, and then it's 2. Then again, we have to carry forward that 2, and at the end, we have to write 2, 2 on the 10th digit, and then we are coming down, change the value to 3, 3, and at the end is the 4. You can see it. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. That's the m square method. I found it very simple. You can try it at your home. Now we are going to show you the pi table via Vedic maths trick. It's a very simple trick to remember, and it would be very simple for the children. There is a pattern in that table. What you have to remember, nothing else. There is a unit digit. Unit digit means we can say a large digit or unit digit. It's one and the same. The pattern will go like 0 5 0 5 and so on. It's a 0 5 0 5 0 5 throughout. Then will come with the 10th digit, which we can the first digit of that number, where the pattern will go like 0 0, then 1 1, 2 2, and so on. Like you have to go 3 till 5. I will show you the table. 5 zeros are, 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 4, 5 6, 7, 8, 5 9, 5 10, 11 and 12. 5 zeros will be 0. Any number you are going to multiply with 0 will be 0. Now here 0 5, 5 ones are. You can see the pattern now. 1 5 twos are would be 10. The last digit, or you can say a unit digit, on the first it was 5. Now I will show you the pi ka table trick via Vedic maths. It's a pattern. You look at the pattern of the unit digit. Where first you have to write the 0. For the pattern will go for the unit digit will be 0 5 0 5, and for the 10th digit will be 0 1 1 2 2 and so on till you have to take till 6. Here you can see I already mentioned the numbers where you have to like if you are going from 5 zeros are, any number you are going to multiply with 0, it will come 0. Then you have to at the 10th digit you have to write the number first. 0 1 1, 2 times everything will come 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 5 5, and then 6. If you can write 5 13s also if you wish to, otherwise it's okay. But you have to take a pattern from 0. You have to go on this number you have to write on 10th digit, which will be the pattern will be 0 0 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 5 5. I'm coming out this 6th one. You have to go through 5. It's a 10 digit का number, remember. Then for the unit digit, sorry, for the unit digit, you have to follow this pattern. 0, 5, 0, 5. First it will come 0, then 5, again 0, again 5, again 0, again 5, 0, 5, 0. Now you can easily know that we have to write 5 over here, again 0, again 5. You can see it's very simple to remember this table, FICA table. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. Thank you. Now we are done with our first video, which we called a basic table, which is very helpful for the children of below 5 years or whose memory is not good to remember the table. They can use this method and they can learn the table very easily, and it will be very helpful for them in the examination as well as in the day-to-day life also in the future. Well, this is just a basic table. We'll come up with our new video in a few days. We'll go with the new video and we just wanted to know that these tables can be learned till 100, but this is a basic course. So help us to grow and do check our videos regularly for the update. Thank you.